Dropshipping is dead, trading is dead, crypto is dead, forex is dead, SMMA is dead, growth operating is dead. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got a dropshipping sale within the first day of testing the product. And this is one of the best signs that your product is a winner. But this did not happen by chance. It was all about strategic product research and timing the market. We discovered that World Dog Day was coming up on Monday 26th July 2024. So we used up all our resources to do product research and find a dog product that we could sell. And with the right market fit, a high quality website and high quality ads, everything just hit perfectly and we saw immediate results. And let's dive into how you can replicate this success for yourself. The product we're selling this time around was an ultrasonic device that emits a high frequency sound that only dogs can hear, and this sound only plays when your dog starts barking. And so the purpose of this product is to make your dog stop barking needlessly. We called it Hound Hush, and the funny thing is we had another competitor in the same niche, but their domain name was Hush Hound. So we literally took that domain and swapped the words around, found it on Namecheap and copied it. We sold this product for a $35 upfront sale price, $10 shipping on the back end, and a $5 shipping protection, which brings us up to a $50 average order value. And our offers were a buy 2 get 20% off and a buy 3 get 30% off. To make a professional branded website, we built our website using the Beautify theme. It is simply among the best Shopify themes due to the amount of inbuilt features it has. Did you know that having the right Shopify theme can dramatically boost your website's performance? Most people don't realize that having multiple apps on their store actually slows down their Shopify site's speed score. But the Beautify has a clever solution. It's packed with inbuilt features, so you don't need to go around installing a bunch of random apps that only have one purpose. In my tutorial, which will show up around here, I'll show you how to create a high converting dropshipping website using the Beautify. And here's the best part, you get a 30-day free trial if you use the link in the description. And once that trial ends, use code Nathan20 to get 20% off for the next 3 months. And again, the link will be in the description and in the pinned comment. This time around, to do product research, we used Mynea. Mynea is a database of tens of millions of ads and allows you to research, analyze, source, and export your products all on one single platform. I usually use my custom filter to find up and coming products within the past week, but since we're selling for World Dog Day, we were free to look at the database for any kind of dog products that have been sold in the history of Facebook ads. And that was how we found these 3 dog products.
So my dog barks at anything, and there's absolutely no way I'm gonna get a shock collar that's gonna cause psychological damage. I have to find a way to stop the barking.
I found this incredible gadget. It emits a high frequency sound that we can't hear, but they can. And when they stop barking, it also stops making a noise. Charge it via USB and set it in an area that you want. Inside your living room, an outside area.
Anywhere that you don't want your dog to bark. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3 to have peace and quiet and a happy dog. Grab yours right now before they run out of them. The link is below.
This is the flying saucer ball. It pops up and flashes, keeping my dogs entertained for hours when I'm busy. My dogs go crazy over this toy.
And from those 3 we decided on the Hound Hush. Now, the best things in life aren't free, which is why the amazing spy tool we know as Mynea isn't. But to make it easier for you guys to find the best products, you can use my code NATE20 to get 20% off the starter and the premium plans. I'll leave a link to Mynea in the pinned comment and in the description down below. So we ran our $100 a day creative testing campaign for 1 more day after the first purchase, but unfortunately we did not get any more purchases. Since we had already spent over $200 on that campaign, we decided to test out one more factor. Between testing new ads and testing a new offer/pricing structure, we decided to sell with new ads. You never want to call it a wrap after only performing 1 test for your product. See, you want to think in terms of angle tests and offer tests, not product tests. So you want to try again after your test fails, but just tweak something. Just because the angle you chose failed does not mean that the product is dead. After all, you chose that product because somebody else was seeing success with it. And even then, you don't need to sell the exact same product as your competitor. See, you found a winning niche, not a winning product. Think, how can I take a winning product and tweak it? For example, we have the sunset lamp. and that was tweaked into the galaxy lamp, and then that was tweaked into the little astronaut that has a galaxy lamp inside of his helmet, and so on and so forth. Back on topic, the first offer you test might not always hit. It might take a few days of testing different products to find the perfect one. And the perfect one is one that helps you achieve your target profit margin. And so I assigned the task of completing these new creatives to my business partner, Sid.
So guys, Nate has just sent me the ads, and I just had a look through them, and they're pretty nice. I'm just gonna log into my TikTok right now and add the captions, and then I'll send over the final version. So yeah, let's do that right now. I see 1K a day potential with these ads. Real talk.
So Cedric finished up the creatives quick, and basically what we did was make 2 variants of the winning ad, and in those 2 variants we basically tested one with a different hook and one with a different call to action. For the third ad in the creative testing campaign, we essentially ripped a pre-existing UGC ad on TikTok that had not yet been run on Facebook ads, and the only thing we changed was the part where the UGC creator said the competitor's product name. We edited out and used AI by replicating her voice in 11 labs to make her now say our product name, Hound Hash. Now that we had all the creatives ready, we launched them on a $50 a day creative testing campaign, which is where we left off on the last video. So I'm currently running the new creatives for this product, and you guys are just gonna have to wait until the next video to see how it does. But unfortunately, due to cash flow issues, we could only afford to run the campaign for 1 day. And once we had our issues sorted, we relaunched the same ads in a new campaign about 8 days later, and the results, well... Alright guys, so I made $200 yesterday from one of my income streams, and today we launched our new creatives again. We weren't able to keep running the old campaign due to budget issues, but now, as I said, that's not really an issue anymore. We launched them at $50 a day, and it's not $100 a day because you see the pixel is already optimized, and the good thing is that we got a sale. Now with an optimized pixel, you don't need to launch the new creative tests at $100 a day. You can just do 50 because it already knows what kind of people are going to purchase your product. And as I said earlier, the creatives we're running right now are basically variations of the creative that got a sale. So let's see what happens, let's see how profitable we get, and let's, you know, get this money. Dropshipping is dead, trading is dead, crypto is dead, forex is dead, SMMA is dead, growth operating is dead. Every single one of these business models is dead if you are not prepared to put in the time and hours and days and weeks of straight failure and learning that you will have to go through in order to get to the results that you really want to achieve. Because nothing ever happens right the first time around. You don't expect your first 2 dropshipping stores to even make a sale, bro. That's not how this game works. So if you're not ready to go through that, I'm afraid it's not the business models that are dead, it is you that is dead. So I'm gonna keep taking my L's and learning, take those L's, turn them into W's, and you'll see what will happen. Give me a good 6 months. So I know majority of you want to know exactly what went down in my ads manager, so let's dive right into it. So as you can see, we have these 3 campaigns here for our product, and the first one where we got the sale is the Hound Hash creative testing. And as you can see, for that campaign we spent $245 and got 1 purchase, leaving us with a CPA of $245, which is obviously very insane. Now when we got the sale initially, I think our CPA was $104, so I was expecting after the second day of $100 of spend, we would crack like 4 more purchases and reduce that CPA to be like around 30, 32, but it never happened the way I thought it would. And then after that, we had the idea to test the new creative, and that was this campaign here, Hound Hash Advantage Plus Shopping campaign. And we decided to use an ASC campaign this time around because we had they were really performing well at this time, and it was our first time also using an ASC campaign. And so that only spent $57, but as I mentioned, due to budget reasons, yeah. And then now once we got the budget back, we launched this creative testing, spent about 100, just like $1.2 short of 100, and we got no sales. Now I'm pretty sure the issue was our offer. Why? Because as you can see, our CTRs were consistently good, even though our CPMs were mad, which Obviously I would have preferred lower CPMs because we want a higher amount of people coming to our website. Because if you want, for example, a 3% conversion rate, that means you would need around 33 people to come to your website if you're expecting even one sale. And on majority of these days we're only getting like 7 sessions or something, just because the CPMs are so high. But back to the CTRs, as you can see, all of our CTRs here were over 2%, which is perfect, especially the first campaign, which was 2.97%. So that means that the first creatives we tested were actually the best ones out of the 6 in total. From that we can see that there was no issue with the ads. The issue was what happened after they saw the ad, so after they clicked on the website. And the issue was most probably our pricing structure, because the offer, that's about all I could think of for such a product. Maybe I could have done an increased sale price and added on a free gift related to dogs, like a free leash or something. Definitely should have thought about it at that time. But yeah, so next time around we're going to use a better offer, not such a simple one as buy 2 get 20% off. And next time will be better, trust me. So in total we spent $402 on this product and we got $45 in sales, but then our cost of fulfilling that order was 18.89 USD, leaving us with a total loss of $375. Next time will be better, bro. But look, man, I can't even call this a failure because I got a sale, bro. We came from testing 8 products in a row and not even getting any initiated checkouts. So it just makes me so glad to see that we're finally getting a hang of this and learning exactly what we need to do to see the success. There is no such thing as failures, only learning opportunities. A failure is a personalized case study of why you failed or succeeded and can only be deciphered by you because you're the one who went through it. The only way to fail is to give up. And so long as you don't give up, you're going to be constantly improving every day, at least 1%. And at the end of the year, you're 365% better than you were. As we speak, Cedric and I have already decided on the next product we'll be selling, and immediately after I finish editing this video, I'm going to make that website. Now guys, subscribe to the channel and drop a like. If you would like one-on-one coaching, then DM me on Instagram at ecom_Nate2paid. In the description of this video, you'll find links to all the spy tools and products that I use to enhance my dropshipping career and take myself further. Because honestly, these free methods ain't it. They're free for a reason. If you would like to watch my entire dropshipping journey from when I got my first sale, then click on the playlist that just showed up on your screen. And until next time, my boys, stay hard, keep grinding, and don't give up.